Today we are going to learn how to remove your thumb, a trick that has been around since grandfathers have roamed this earth. But there's a good reason. There's three good reasons to learn this trick. First is there's no special props needed. All you need is your two hands. Second is it's a great trick for beginners to learn the fundamentals of practicing new magic. And the last is it's a classic illusion that I guarantee you will use several times. The effect is you are just simply removing your thumb. We're going to talk about how to get into the position and also the really great way of ending it. That makes the difference between being a good trick and a great trick. The secret is that your left thumb, in my case, is bent, and you're replacing that thumb with the thumb of your other hand and hiding that seam with your finger. So it appears as if you are removing your thumb. Now there's that tricky part where you've got to hide that action. And so what's the best way to do that? We're going to use a principle of magic that's harder to see the smaller movements when a bigger movement happens. What I do is start with my hand thumb down, and in the act of turning it, that bigger action is where we hide the smaller action of replacing the thumb. And so when I'm turning that hand over, I bend the thumb in, and my other thumb bends and comes into position while my finger covers that seam, that hidden space between the two. Some really important things to try to remember is it's difficult, but you've got to try to extend those three fingers straight up. And this is to provide as much viewing space of your thumb as possible being removed. You don't want to have it like this where it's like really hard to see. You want a clear shot so they get a clear image of that thumb being removed. Bigger action, get into position, get those fingers up, pull that thumb, slide it from your hand, and here's the special ending move to act as a convincer, and that's when you bring your thumb back in for the final time, you're going to switch those thumbs so that your left thumb pops up, your right thumb and index finger grab the knuckle area as you do a bigger action to show that it is indeed reattached. So it looks like this. Well, there it is, the detachable thumb trick, a classic to learn in magic. If you want to learn some other essential beginner magic tricks, make sure to hit the link in the description below. And don't forget to like and share this video.